the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for visiting my channel here. We've got a new home to look at. We are standing in an optional porch. I also have a new cameraman. Her name is Brittany, and we'd like to welcome Brittany to the channel. Hey guys, we're standing in an optional porch that I wanted you guys to get a glimpse of what we do on the exterior in addition to the beautiful interiors that we do. So we have added a can light to this porch, and it's just a nice area for you to escape the weather and also as some nice exterior look to your home. We're going to come in through the front porch. We've got a nice little foyer here, and we're going to check out the kitchen. We did a white hardwood cabinet in here. I put some somber countertops on the top, so we did a nice modern black and white contrast look here. We did a microwave over the range. We've seen that before. We've got an all-electric home, some white wrap profile trim to deck it out, some stainless steel appliances. I think this gives it a nice modern look to go with the rest of the cabinetry. Popped in a couple can lights to accentuate the island. Technically, this would be considered the back door, so we switched it up to a 9-light residential, which opens inside as opposed to it opening out. What a spectacular view of this kitchen. I love it. We added some black handles as opposed to a brushed nickel knob. So you see, through the small touches that you do in your home, that's how we make our homes yours. We take a basic floor plan that has the room placements where you would like them, and we start plugging and playing different items to bring out the personality of your family. Now this home just rolled off of the production line, so you're going to notice the plastic over here. This is 1/2 of a double wide. So when this gets put together, this side will actually open into a wide open living room. This particular floor plan has all the bedrooms on one end of the home and the living area on the front, because you're able to enter from either side. I know the customer of this home is going to plan on putting a garage behind that front entry. And then they're going to deck out the front with lots of landscaping so that you can enter from either side, giving it curb appeal from the front and the side. What a spacious hallway here. A lot of times when you're in a manufactured home, you will see the narrow hallways. Not the case in this home. Wide open. Plenty of space here. And remember, we're going to open into a wide open living room there, and then we're going to start to see the bedroom openings. So we're going to have bedroom 2 here, bedroom 3 here, and as we move down the hallway, we've got our second bath, or we call it the hall bath, right across from the bedroom 2 and 3, so it's easily accessible. Next, we're going to move right into the utility room. So we've added an extra interior door here to kind of shut off the noise from the rest of the home. We've got our washer dryer area here, furnace tucked away back there. Now, heading back into the master suite area, You're only going to see a small portion of it because the majority of it is in the other half of the home. But you can check out the master bath, which I think this one is really cool. We have a private commode. It's a really popular thing now. So as we walk in, we've got dual sinks here, dual mirrors, can lights over the mirror. Notice we took the black handles, they're going throughout the whole home, so the decoration is just moving throughout the entire house. So when you opt for a hardwood cabinet, you're going to get them everywhere. Brittany's turning around to the private commode, which in this home, we also have a linen closet inside of that room. One thing that we pride ourselves here, we always have lots of closet space. Anywhere we can put a closet, we're putting one. We'll head back out to the kitchen and close this up. And actually what Brittany and I are doing right now is we're here doing the 4th check on the home. So the home rolls offline. It's checked by our ready to ship team, the RTS department, and they will do a very thorough inspection of all of the electrical, the water, everything. Then my team's called over. We do a double inspection also before it leaves. And then of course the customer is going to do another inspection when it gets to their property. Then we call in a warranty team if we need one. Now, we're excited to start this new season. It's really starting to warm up here in Topeka, Indiana. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.